Hello, how you doing? Look, not going to keep you long today. I'm going to make a bit of cheese on toast, but kind of spicy Indian style. Very, very simple. Got some cheddar here. I'm using this cheddar here. So, 2 cups of cheddar grated. And you can really adjust all of this. I've then got about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, all nice and small as you can see. Tomato. I've got fresh chili to taste. I mean, like I said, I've got quite a lot there. You might want to reduce that down if you want. I've got coriander or cilantro, a lot of you call it that, chopped again. And like I say, adjust this as much as you want. I've then got a little bit of about half a teaspoon of cumin, chili powder and black pepper. Very, very simply in a bowl. We're going to give this a mix. And then as you can see, I've got some toasted bread, lightly toasted. Get that cheese mixture on there, press it down, stick it under the grill, couple of minutes, you know what you're looking for, don't you? Delicious, delicious stuff. Told you I wasn't going to keep you long today, didn't I? I'll see you soon. Lots of love.